Jr. manning the infield area and helping us out. Midway Speedway, 11 of Missouri, also helping us out here on the championship nights coming through. Action will start. We're going to pace them around a couple of laps to kind of work that water in. This will be your lineup for heat number 1 in the box stock Predator, 8 laps. Scheduled on the pole is the number 57 of Keith Pratt. To his outside is the 45 of Cole Graves. J.J. Beaver of Knoxville, Iowa will be in the 17. Sid Huff of Fair Grove will be in the 33. Mike Scombo from Centralia, Iowa, in Centerville, Iowa, in the 09. Danny Martin of Republic in the 33M. And Mike Parker of Liberty in the 19. Looks like Keith Pratt not making the call. Lights are off. Here we go, the first of 3 qualifying heats for your box stock Predators. And the 09 of Skobno taking that early lead, powering from deep in the field. Danny Martin now trying to hang tight. As we've got one in the infield, we stay green and clean. The 17 of Beaver out of the action now. Meanwhile, Skobno looking strong. Watch out. Here comes the 45 of Cole Graves. Graves is on the move in that 45, trying to run down your leader. Inside move, we've got a new leader at the line. 4 down, 4 to go, it's Graves in charge. Now, from the back of the field, Mike Parker in 19, making a run also. 3 wide action back in the pack for second place. We pick up Graves as your leader in the 45. The 19 of Parker now second, the 33, I believe that is, or is it a Martin? White flag out, we've got 1 more to go. .45 of Graves will take the victory. Graves taking heat number 1, starting outside the front row with the victory, while Mike Parker out of the Kansas City area, Liberty, Missouri, comes home a very strong second. Heat number 2 for your box stock, 360s. It's Reggie Jackson on the point from Lebanon in car number 3. To his outside, Dakota Maggard in the 156. Row number 2, keep your eyes on the green machine. The 2H of Jason Harmon. To Harmon's outside, it's Alex Shaw of Rogersville in 75. And bringing up the rear of the field, Ryan Gilmore of Springfield in that 33X. To his outside, Tyler Hager in that 32. Hager has been a force to be reckoned with here this weekend at our Lowe Boats I-44 Speedway Winter Nationals. Make sure the neck braces are on. They'll be coming to the line. Lights off. We're going to be looking to go green this next time by. Your attention in the pits. Junior 1 Clone Heavy, be ready also. Here we go, green flag is out, and it's Jackson to take the early lead in the number 3. Down the front to 3 wide, we've got problems up high. The 33X of Gilmore, the 2H of Harmon. And I believe the 75 also involved, yes, Alex Shaw. Single file on the restart. All right, they'll be going single file. Jackson definitely didn't want to see that caution come out. It seems like he's got some rhythm going out here this evening. Here they come, bumper to bumper, and the green is out. We're back underway. Jackson jumping to the early lead. Dakota Maggard. Oh, there's a lot of beating and banging going on. And the 32 now of Hager charging his way up to the number 2 spot, trying to run down Jackson. Meanwhile, Jason Harmon in that 2H, riding a solid third. Down goes, oh, your leader going around as the caution comes out. Tough break for Jackson, and of course the 32 Hager helping him go around will go back to the rear. Two complete, 6 to go. Two complete, 6 to go. You help the guy in front of you go round, you're going to be going to the back with him. Here we go. New leader now as Jason Harmon in that 2H brings him down on the restart. Well, he's going to bust away from the field as we've now completed 4 circuits. And things are going to get real tough. Harmon all by himself, while the 75 of Alex Shaw now holding on to second. Harmon first, 75 of Shaw. Here comes Hager in that 32 to make a move. White flag is out for Harmon's number 2H, 1 to go. Hager now all the way up to second. Shaw back to third. Checkered is out. Harmon will take the victory. Shaw 75 will come home third, while the 32 of Hager finishing up in the runner-up position. Jason Harmon out of the Osho taking the heat race win. That'll bring us now to our third and final box stock Predator 360 weight limit heat of the evening. Your attention in pit road. Junior 1 clone heavy, Junior 2 clone heavy. You need to be getting staged and ready, please. Here's your lineup for heat number 3. Scheduled on the front in the 27E will be David Eagleberger. To his outside in the 13P, Dusty Sanderson out of Springfield. Row number 2 on the inside, the 191 of Dylan Bates. And the Bates is outside, the number 160 of Michael Maggard. Your third and final row is the 78, Matt Chaparto out of Rogersville, and James Sarr of Mulberry, Kansas in the 00. Here they come down on the start. Green, oh, all heck busting loose. Original refile was single going. 27E. David Eagleberger just barely made it out in time, and he's got some problem getting this thing started. Dylan Bates not making the call in the 191. Good on the lineup. Here we go. Lights going off. Coming out of 4, green back out, and we're underway. Coming down to complete the first lap, Dusty Sanderson spinning it to the infield in the 13. As they come down the front straightaway, Michael Maggard long gone. James Saar in that 00 after starting dead last has now moved up into second, and he's starting to gain on our leader quickly. Maggard doing double duty here this weekend, heading them down, 4 to go. Saar, does he have enough time with only 3 more? They're turning lap times of 7 to 8 seconds or better. White flag coming out for Maggard's 160. He's got 1 to go. Checker flag will fly. Michael Maggard taking heat number 3. Followed by the 00 of Saar, the 78, Saint Petro. Then it'll be the 13,